We're bowling off with cricket on a day when 15 wickets fell. Jamaica Scorpions found themselves with a 153-run deficit at stumps on day 2 of their regional 4-day match against the Trinidad and Tobago Red Force at Sabina Park. As Simon Preston reports, the pitch, which was the subject of controversy on the opening day, is expected to improve.
After the Red Force were restricted for 203, the Scorpions were bundled out inside 39 overs for 112, trailing by 91 runs. Chadwick Walton top scored with 35. The Red Force reached 62 for 2 at stumps with Darren Bravo and Kari Pierre, the not-out batsmen, on 20 and 2 respectively.
We're quite alright with it. 62 for 2. Could have been 62 for 3, 63 for 4. But we missed a few chances. I think a few decisions didn't go our way this afternoon. But we have to come tomorrow and try to restrict them and see how it goes.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the bowling effort. Anderson, he bowled the right areas and got a hat trick. Well done to him, including young Odin Smith. He bowled the right areas on this pitch. He ran in. And then young Daniel Sinclair, our seam bowlers, really came this game and bowled exactly how we wanted them to bowl. The experience of Imran Khan didn't get any, but having said that, Carrier, he batted well with the young KP, who steadied the ship to get us over 200. I think we really need to push on tomorrow to get over 250 plus.
Pitch curator at Sabina Park, Michael Hilton, is promising good cricket in the last 2 days of the regional 4-day match between the Scorpions and the Red Force. Thursday's opening day saw the suspension of play after 5 overs due to a wet pitch. But on Friday, Hilton said he was expecting the cricket to flow over the weekend.
Day 3 is gonna be good. It's gonna play good all the way to Sunday. All the way to Sunday, just like the other pitch against the Windward Volcanoes. It was good. They could chase 287 runs and get it. So we expect that if Jamaica bat properly, no matter what Trinidad get, they should be able to get it on Sunday. Because it will be a good pitch. Such grass coverage on the top.
The captains of both teams agreed.
Yes, the wicket has improved. It has gotten a bit tougher. Good for batting, as I said before. It's not. There's no devil in the wicket. It's just for us batters to go and apply ourselves and take responsibility of our innings and get the job done.
Yeah, it was frustration yesterday. Anyone who have won it also like to bowl first, but I think it's a good wicket now. Challenging in terms of the spinners, and it's a lot better. If you bat properly on the wicket, you're going to score runs. So yeah, our seamers really came and they bowled some good areas. I think the Jamaican batsmen put themselves in a shell and not playing their natural aggressive game. So it's quite happy we were able to pick up some wickets.
Day 3 action bowls off at 10 a.m. Jamaica time. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.